They like flying over there. There they come.
Got one up top. Fuck it, kill it.
Shells for
Okay, boys.
We're good.
Okay, we got the bird. We're okay. Wow. Alright, reload, reload.
Oh, it's Susie.
I think it's a drake.
For real?
I think it was. You got it? Looney.
He did it fucking perfect.
I know, he did it dirty, and I'm like, I saw the birds above, and I was like, shit, I don't know. Alright, Luna, kennel. Kennel. Kennel.
Drake? Yeah, Drake.
Who killed that bird?
It wasn't me.
4 o'clock.
Oh yeah, they're dropping. Just stay still. Right here, kill it. Kill it. I just saw Daniel pull up his gun. I was like,
No,
I said that you
look at all these birds on the left. Come on, Luna.
Don't go over there. You're gonna be out of one every time.
Caleb, you been seeing any snow geese?
Around here, there's been a lot of specks and snows.
What? It's a pintail. Man,
We got a pintail, guys.
there's 2 behind me.
Yeah, they've been frolicking around back there for a little bit. They're coming this way, right over top. Yeah, they don't like us.
Jerk at them.
Calling straight into Owen's ear.
Yeah.
That one wants to do it. Stay still, boys.
These 3 are coming right. Yep.
These 3 come in, we're shooting them. Be ready. Kill him.
Man,
Well, he got away. Did I ring you there or anything?
Yeah, alright.
Alright.
Fuck, I was shooting through corn.
Same. I'm pretty sure I blasted corn too. Luna, here.
That was awesome.
They did it. They were gonna land, but that one's dead out there.
I don't even know.
I shot one for sure. It's the most action since like second day on the morning.
It's fucking hot.
Hold on. They're gonna spin back around. They're gonna spin the block. They're spinning the block, boys. Be ready. Oh my god. Kill him. Kill him. Woodies. They're Woodies. Those were Woodies.
Did you kill that one or?
I killed the one over the back.
That's what I thought.
He said kill him. I was like,
Dude, they were just scooting.
I was like, kill him, and I'm like, nobody shot him.
Dude, why the fuck were they decoying out here?
oh no, they listen to calls too. Yeah, they did.
Did I get you there?
Oh no.
Okay.
Okay, I think
Don't matter to me.
Luna. Luna.
Where is it?
Right here.
You got it? Look, hey, here.
You hold that real quick. Thank you.
No, here.
Dude, they fucking buzzed.
Dude, they were. Dude. I know I shot that one, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, you shot the far one. I got that hen.
No. Woodies on a field hunt?
God damn, that one is pretty.
I think it's a penny. I think it's a penny. It's a penny. Kill it.
Did you go? Same.
Dude, he dropped.
Was it? Give me someone.
I need. That's my bad. She broke on us. There's some birds flying. Carter, you got it?
That was.
She broke. Just next time, if she does break, just watch her.
Yeah. Where did she?
You guys shot right over her. I was
Oh,
fucking
fuck.
like, ooh. You guys are good though. That's on me. Luna, here. Hey, here.
Another pintail drake.
Hey, come on. Come on. Come here. Hey, kennel. 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 Good girl. Good girl. Dude, they're getting in tight too. Be ready. Kill it if you can. I think that's mine.
Yeah. What is it?
It's a pintail. It's not yours.
Oh no, it's not.
It's not yours. It's mine. All right, you ready? Gonna here. Watch out.
No sprig.
That's another drake.
Are the sprigs late season?
Up there? Oh. The sprigs, they get sprigs in late season.
That's right.